sur les fleurs de
Hey everyone, it's Sydney. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do a side aerial. I hope this helps. Enjoy! First things first, you need to stretch. Stretch your legs, your arms, your back, your ankles, and anything else you think that you will personally need to do this skill. The skills you will need to have are a cartwheel, a pop cartwheel, and a dive cartwheel. Keep in mind you need to have all of these skills confidently in order to be able to do an aerial. Now that you are stretched and you have warmed up your dive cartwheels, pop cartwheels, and regular cartwheels, you will now take your mat and set it up to its highest setting. What you want to do now is do dive cartwheels, pop cartwheels, and regular cartwheels off of this surface. If you don't have a mat, use a Bosu ball or anything that is an elevated surface, maybe even a hill. Once you're confident with your pop cartwheels and dive cartwheels off of the mat, attempt an aerial. Keep in mind that if you're using a Bosu ball, the drills may be a little bit different and it may take you longer. It is okay if you're not yet ready to try your aerial off the surface. Everyone moves at a different pace. For example, it took me about a year to get my aerial, so take your time. Once you are confident and comfortable with doing your aerial off of this level, move it down to the next one. Do the same drills as the previous level until you are confident and consistent with doing your aerial off of this one. Then gradually lower it down until you're level with the ground. Before you attempt your aerial on the flat ground, there is one more drill you should do. This drill is when you combine a pop cartwheel and a dive cartwheel together. You will want to start off the drill with the dive cartwheel, put your hands down the middle for a small amount of time, then pop your hands back up at the end. So push off as much as you can in the beginning of the cartwheel, put your hands down for about a split second, and then bring them back up again, almost like the ground is lava and you don't want to touch it. Now it's time for you to go for the skill. It's okay if you don't land it the first couple of times, just keep trying and never give up. It's okay to fail, but just don't lose hope in yourself. Once you have your aerial confident and consistent, there are so many other connections you can do. For example, aerial, or aerial to back tuck. But remember, only attempt these skills connected if you have them both confidently. Now, if you're still not getting all the way around in your aerial, I have a few more drills for you. One is where you swing your back leg up as hard as you can with your hands facing the ground and use all your might. Another one is to jump off the leg that you aerial off of, jump on one foot and go in a straight line. Do that about 15 times a day. Another drill you can do is squats. You can do it how often as you want and however many that you want, as long as it is beneficial to you. Have a great day, guys, and good luck on getting your skill. I know you can do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any more tutorial suggestions, then comment them down below. Bye, see you later. Be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe.